Union is strength. Once, there lived an old farmer in a village. He had 3 sons. They were very strong but quarrelsome. The farmer was very worried about them. He advised them not to quarrel. One day the farmer decided to teach them a lesson of unity. He asked his servant to fetch a bundle of sticks. Then he sent for his sons. The sons came there immediately. First, he admired them for their strength and then asked them to break the bundle of sticks. The youngest son tried first to do so but in vain. Then the elder one tried to break it but could not. After this, the eldest son tried to break the bundle but failed in his attempt. At this, the farmer asked them to untie the bundle and break the sticks one by one. They broke all the sticks easily. He made them realize that the sticks were strong when tied together and breakable singly. He told them that they would be strong when united and weak when separated. The sons took the advice of their father and promised not to quarrel in future. Moral: Union is strength.